Welcome back to 11 Alive Midday. Happening today, students and staff from Walton High School should get their tuberculosis test results back. This comes after school officials say about 300 people might have been exposed. 11 Alive's Ariana Manish joining us live from the high school. Ariana, so what are officials with the Cobb and Douglas Department of Health telling you?
Well, Aisha, they tell us that they'll be at the school today testing the reaction from those tests that was administered on Tuesday, and they should get the results back by this afternoon. Approximately 300 students and staff, they were tested here at Walton High School after possible exposure to tuberculosis. The health department says they work with the school's administration to identify those who may have been exposed to TB germs. Now, those tests, they were mandatory, and now today, health officials, they're going to examine those results of the skin tests that were administered. We spoke to Dr. Andy Shane with Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. She says a positive test means an individual was exposed to TB and further evaluations will be conducted. Take a listen.
Skin test is basically to detect whether or not somebody has been exposed to Mycobacterium tuberculosis or the TB bacteria. And if that's positive, then that means that the person likely, because there are some false positives, has been exposed to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then a chest X-ray is done to look and see if there's any evidence that the person has active disease.
Now, if that X-ray is negative, the individual will be given preventative medication. And if that X-ray is positive, they'll be treated for TB, according to the Cobb and Douglas Health Department. Once again, the health department, they should get the results back from those test results administered to the approximately 300 students and staff here at Walton High School. They should get those results by this afternoon. Reporting live from Cobb County, I'm Ariana Manish for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Ariana, thank you. So it seems like we haven't talked about TB a lot lately, but we just got this startling stat in. The World Health Organization has just announced that tuberculosis has replaced COVID-19 as the top cause for infectious disease-related deaths last year. The report says more than 8 million people worldwide were diagnosed with TB last year. Nearly 1.3 million people died. We spoke with local doctors earlier this week who tell us early detection is key and it is treatable.